Have you ever heard someone say things were better back in the good old days? It's a common thought, especially when new technology comes along that feels a bit overwhelming at first. We get comfortable with how things are, and change can seem like a hassle. But think about it. Resisting progress is like trying to stop the tide from coming in. It's a battle you just can't win. Instead of fighting against the wave of innovation, what if we learned to ride it? I bet many of us remember when our parents or grandparents first saw smartphones. They'd say things like, "Why do you need that? I have a perfectly good phone at home." Or, "You're always staring at that little screen." They might have complained about how complicated it all seemed. But what happened over time? Now, many of them are the ones sending us family photos, video calling the grandkids, and using navigation to find new places. They discovered that this one little device isn't just a phone, it's their camera, their calendar, their map, their photo album, and their connection to the world. They learned to adapt, and their lives became easier and more connected because of it. This exact same pattern is happening right now with things like artificial intelligence. It might seem scary or complicated, and you hear all sorts of wild stories. But at its core, AI is just another tool, a very powerful one, designed to help us. It can help doctors diagnose diseases faster, help artists create amazing visuals, and help students learn in new ways. It can automate the boring, repetitive parts of our jobs, freeing us up to be more creative and focus on what truly matters. The key is to approach these new advancements with curiosity instead of fear. Don't worry about becoming an expert overnight. Just start small. Ask questions, watch a tutorial, try out a new app. See how it can make a tiny part of your day a little bit better. Just like the smartphone replaced a whole bag of gadgets, future technologies will streamline our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. So the next time you hear about a new tech breakthrough, don't dismiss it. Get curious, explore it. Because by embracing the future, we're not just keeping up with the times, we're actively shaping a better, easier, and more exciting life for ourselves. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this perspective, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.